Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting that much. I've been kind of busy. But today I'm using the bluegill Black Max. I just got this reel. And we're going to be going for some bluegill. And the bait that we're going to be using, if I can get this thing in there, there's a bunch of little minnows in there, so hopefully we can catch some fish on that. I put that back. Anyway, there's like, you probably can't see that, but there's a bunch of little minnows right there. So, I'll try to get kind of a bigger one. Okay. So, all you have to do, guys, so you have your minnow. So you grab your hook. Look it right through their mouth. Put them right up the hook, just like that. And we'll see if we can't get some fish. Pressure put, there you go. Now, see if we can catch anything. There we go, that might help a little bit. Oh, I had one. I might just need to... Oh. It took it. Okay. Okay, we're going to put like 3 or 4 minnows on there since we have a few. And hopefully we can catch a few fish. I probably should have brought a net, because it is not very fun trying to grab these little guys. There we go. So hopefully he moves around a little bit. Gives a little bit of movement. Oh yeah, there's a big minnow right there. Oops, I dropped him. So that's what we got, guys. There we go. See if we can't catch a fish off of this. Just need to get it. Okay. The fish are not eating very much. Okay. Let's try a different spot because they're not eating right here. I just dropped my minnow. That's kind of stinks. For some reason, the fish are not wanting the minnows. Okay guys, this is probably overkill for how many minnows I have on there. But if it catches fish, then who cares? Holy cow. There's minnows everywhere. Oh, I had one. That would have been the first fish of the day. I would have caught him. Oh, I got one. There we go. First fish with the minnows. It's a pretty nice one too. Not too bad. Oops. Just knocked my minnow off. He's okay. Get the release on this bad boy. And he disappeared. Okay, so I'll be making a part 2 because I'm running out of storage on this thing. So I'll see you in part 2.